Great design, isn't it? Look at that, man. And it looks like we got a nightclub across the road. Hello, Sabadi Mai. Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Touching down from Khon Kaen in Isan, and we're outside the Central Plaza, and we're about to take a walk and check out the nightlife down one of the most happening streets, so I've read. So here we are once again in Khon Kaen, and yeah, we're starting off at the mall, and we're gonna dogs. They look friendly, but don't want to disturb them. So Khon Kaen at night, it comes alive, look, busy traffic, and you got the old railway track here. Wow, it's an unused one, so I'd say this is the old one, look, old railway track. I'll be back on the train soon. So the train station is not too far from here either. So you really do have to be careful walking in Khon Kaen as well. You'll walk on a sidewalk, and then you'll come across a bit where there's nothing. And I'm not sure what they're building here. Oh yeah, new condo, look. So there's new condos going up all the time here by the looks of it. Sansiri, same as Chiang Mai. That's the business. They do loads of places, I think, all over Thailand, Sansiri. So the monument's down here as well. So we're going to look at the monument. Well, that's the way we're going anyway. So happy days, mate. And down here, look, with the high-rise hotels, it looks like a big city, right? When really it's not as high-rised up as what I thought when you're coming in on the train. Because you see this when you come in on the train. And yeah, I've not really seen any more high-rises, too many. There's another couple here, but in the other areas I've been, not really seeing too many. Hey, so yes, pretty busy over here. Lots of tourists or people making merit. So this here is the City Pillar Shrine, and I've not been down this bit before, so yeah, I'm glad I've come down here tonight. And we got lots of people here, look, and it's a beautiful shrine actually. Yeah, really nice, I like it. Hello, Sabadi Mai. Yeah, it's a bit of a beauty, this one, isn't it? Lots of people around, actually. Hello, miss. Sabadi Mai. What's your name? My name, Wayne. What's your name?
What's your name? Mao.
Mao.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that name. Good name. Good name, Mao.
I need you. No tip you.
You need me?
I need you.
Oh, you meet me. City Pillar Shrine, mate. Absolute Bobby Dazzler. Telephone? No, it's okay. Do I want telephone? Lovely. She didn't ask for no money. I thought she was going to ask for some money. Hey, this is a beautiful shrine, isn't it? Lots of people down here, mate. Right, let's keep moving. One of the better ones, isn't it? So this here is Pracha Samran Road, and this is apparently the street with the most amount of nightlife bars in Khon Kaen. So I've been reading up today, and I come across a really good article with somebody that lived here, and he said that there's loads of bar streets, and like the bars get mistaken for clubs here. You never know, they're quite mixed like that, the bars or the clubs. But this road here is the most condensed with the bars. So yeah, we're going to take a walk down. It looks very quiet tonight, but yeah, already lit. We're kicking off with the Up Khon Kaen greenhouse rooftop and restaurant. I'm sure we'll come across some massage ladies, I would have thought, if they're down here as well. So you got another place here, look, restaurant, got all your Thai food and stuff. And yeah, very, very low key. So is that a bar street? There's a few up there, so let's keep going down, see what we can come across. Blue bar across the road. And in the article I was reading, it said also that during the day you don't find much in Khon Kaen, but as soon as the night comes you can find places everywhere around the city. And yeah, don't look like too much is going on down here to me, but we're gonna walk down. I'm sure there's better streets than this, right? So it looks like we got a nightclub over here. Probably doesn't open until late in the night. A lot of things seem closed. I know there's some stuff happening down here. So hey, got a 99 bar lit. All nice designs, isn't it? All nice places. Like, that's one thing I will give Khon Kaen. They've got like really nice upmarket bars by the looks of it, and restaurants. That's a great design, isn't it? Look at that, man, with the lights. So that place is open. Shall we go for a beer somewhere? Oh, it says no camera on the sign, so we're not going to be going in there, are we? Let's keep going, man. And it looks like we got a nightclub across the road, Ultra. This looks like an open outside one that's closed. It's not very lit up, Khon Kaen. It's quite a dark city. Timeless. Another nice bar lit, empty, nobody in there. So it is a weekday, so maybe on the weekends there's a few more people out having a leisurely drink. I don't know. So this Wine 22 place looks quite nice at the end of the road, so we're gonna go and look over there. And you've got the Glacier Hotel, which looks like a really nice place. And we got another shrine here. Another shrine. Lots of people out at the shrines, which is good to see, right? See, some places you don't really see anybody at the shrines. So yeah, it's good to see. Right, so the lady did say like this is one of the main streets. I just asked the lady there at the shrine, and she said if you come out on this road again here, Jesus, oh, them mano covers, you never know, one day you could go down one. So this main street here that goes down to the railway station as well looks quite lively at night. It looks totally different in the daytime, but at night you've got all your nice bars and that here. Look, the Wine 22 place looks nice to go in for a drink. Got a few people in there, few ladies waiting for customers. Really nice place lit, Wine 22. So we're gonna walk up here because I can see a lot more restaurants and bars open, and I suppose some of them are nightclubs and they will open later on maybe, but it is Khon Kaen as well, so maybe, you know, it's not going to be Bangkok or Pattaya, is it? Hello, what's your name? What's your name, eh? Yeah. See, this is the bit here I really like of Khon Kaen. This street here that goes straight down to the train there. You've got all your restaurants on the side. This place nice, isn't it? Chinese? Yeah, I think it's Chinese. Nice lit. There we go, yeah, restaurant. Looks really nice. Lovely place that. This guy, hello.
Hey boy.
Hey boy. Hey, you stay away from my bag, mate. Hell boy. Let's keep going. Hell boy. Right, so you got your hotels in here and that. Let's just wait for this guy to get going. He's getting a bit he's getting a bit on it here. Didn't like his tone a little bit. I don't know what he was saying, Hellboy, or whatever that is in Thai, I don't know. But he was getting a little bit too close for comfort. Hello, Sabadi Mai.
Beer.
This street, the best street, this one, number one. Okay, maybe I come back, okay?
ก็มีบาร์
Maybe I come back.
บาร์
Yeah, got some ladies. Hey,
That is the best
got some
bar,
ladies.
man.
First
The
ones I see.
ladies. That is the best bar.
Again, it's like a city that there ain't enough people to fill all the bars, mate. So over here you have your night food market where you just go in and sit down and find all your cheap kind of food, and you've got your hotels here, quite nice hotels down near the railway. I think the further you go up the top here where my hotel is, it gets a little bit older, I think. Swaddy Cap. Let's keep going. And the railway station is probably the best station I've ever seen anywhere. It seems like they've done everything snazzy down near the station where the people are coming in. They want people all down that end with the nice hotels. And at the top is a little bit more authentic, I should say. That's what I feel of it. I prefer the more authentic ends, the older places. Essence Clinic. So there's so many of these clinics around Khon Kaen. Clinics for ladies. Hello. Yeah, one thing I like here, the roads are nice and wide for the traffic. See, in Chiang Mai we don't really have that in the town because there's not the room, is there? Chiang Mai is, you can't do much with Chiang Mai roads in and around the old city. There's no room. Wine O'Clock. Hey, that's a good name, isn't it? Wine O'Clock, Khon Kaen. So you can buy all your wines in here, look. Probably get some nice bottles in there, right? How much is a bottle of wine here? Don't say. Tell you what, I might get a Leo though. This place here busy, look. Lots of people in here. Thai restaurant. Right, so I've come across this area which looks like there's some bars and restaurants. So we're going to take a walk here. Lots of little cafes and what's this? Museum Time from Scratch Bake Shop. Okay, so a lot of things like this are closed in other parts, right? When it gets to 5 o'clock they close, but it's all still open. All your bakeries and pasta. God, that place looks really nice, Italian. Yeah, this is a nice area. The Wall, Khon Kaen. It's a nice leisurely stroll. I'm starting to like the old nighttime videos. You can get all your food here on the streets. I would say the university area is a lot more like food courts and that. I've not been down that area. So there's something going on up here. Looks like they've closed the road. Love a clinic. Clinics everywhere. Ladies love the clinics. Arroy. That one looks good. Swaddy Cap. Sabadi Mai. Look good. Beef, move. Okay. Looks nice. Ah, yeah, something going on here. I would say this is the centre of town. What I've come to the conclusion the last couple days, I would say this is the main action of Khon Kaen, but what do I know? Got the old McDonald's down there. I'd say I like it more than Vientiane, where I was 2 days ago. Let's go. Wait, come on. Right, so we're going to walk through here. So they've closed this road off. Should we go the other way? No, we'll go this way. We might see something we like up here. We have a good look. See what Khon Kaen's got to offer. Anything I like? No. So the nightlife options are good here. There's plenty of places, right? If you lived here, you're going to be okay for your night markets and going out for a trendy meal, or going for your cheap food in your local markets, going for a bottle of wine, or going out for your beers. I would say the real party life is really kicking here. I honestly think I wouldn't like to go back to being young again, not in this day and age. I mean, we always say, yeah, it wasn't like that in my day, but times always change, don't they? But I don't think I'd like to go back. I don't think I'd like to go back and do that all again. I'm happy being older. Would I like to be a few years younger? Yeah, I am looking old these days, but I wouldn't like to be really young again. And it's pretty low key as well. It's not overrun, and no tourists. See, where the tourists here? None. If any of them are, it's Thai tourists, right? Yeah, none. No, none of them are tourists. It's all local. But your bulls, always bulls everywhere. Oh, yeah, very good, very good. Got your durian. Right, we'll have a look down this side because that's the end. Okay, sir. How are you? Sabadi Mai. Actually got your food court down this side. Lots of grub on offer. I know somebody's gonna live here and say, Wayne, you should have went out that side. It's absolutely kicking, mate. That's all the action is, just 1 kilometre away, buddy. Right, so I think I'm gonna leave it there. That is the nightlife. We walk around the bar area and up the main street here. I'm sure there's lots more stuff to see, but tomorrow we move on and we got another 3 or 4 hour train ride, which I'm looking forward to. I must admit, I've been really enjoying the train rides when I never thought I would. I'm not going to get a bus anywhere unless I can help it. I'm going to get trains everywhere because, yeah, I'm enjoying the trains, and I'm looking forward to getting to the next place, where I'm going to let you know that tomorrow when we're heading off. I'm not sure if I've said it already. I probably have, but yeah, we're heading off further down. So we're going down the bottom of Isan, where there's loads more towns, right? Loads more, the more well-known towns. So I'm looking forward to that as well. And we could end up in Buriram, like I said earlier on in the vlog. So yeah, really not excited, but looking forward to it. So I'm gonna stop waffling, guys. I'm gonna go back, do some editing and chill out tonight. Checking out from the Khon Kaen. It's been cool to be here. Not my favourite town, but it was nice to visit here. Take it easy, man. Take it easy.